Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That as all of you know that we are doing 30 days art challenge and today is day 14. So today's challenge is draw what you eat today. So I have eaten today a taco. So I am going to draw a taco here. So let's get started. What you have eaten today, you can draw this. Like if you have eaten dosa, you can draw dosa, or any cake, pastry, you can draw anything, whatever you have eaten. Okay, so let's draw the veggies and the filling which is there in the taco. Okay, so there are a lot of veggies that use in our taco. So its drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Okay, so our 14th day art challenge is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic Wisdom. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.